Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth. In this video, I will show you how to write a professional sales email in just 10 minutes using ChatGPT, even if you are not a writer. Now, most of the business owners struggle to write a sales email. They don't know what to say, and how to sound professionally or how to convince customer. So now by using one of the AI tool that is ChatGPT can help you create clear, polite and persuasive email in minutes. Let me log into the ChatGPT. Now here is the so this is the AI tool that is ChatGPT. Here, I have given a prompt that is write a professional sales email for a type of business. Now, according to your niche, what type of business you are running, you have to write here the type of business. So let's take an example. You are running a digital marketing agency. Okay. So the prompt which you'll be writing, write a professional sales email for a digital market agency. Now, just check it out. What kind of service you are offering? So here you have to write the service which you are providing to the customer. So here you have to write like that. Offerings, let's take an example. You are offering a social media management services. So you can write it here as social media management. Now, what kind of customer, like who is your target customer? So I have taken here as small business owner. Now exact prompt will be like write a professional sales email for a digital marketing agency offering social media management to small business owner. Keep it polite, short and persuasive. Now here is the prompt which I have given and the result is here. So this is the one which you can use it. Now in order to make it more friendly and formal, so you can add this prompt. You can change the tone by adding make it more friendly or make it more formal. So you'll be getting friendly and for in a formal tone. But one thing you always have to remember, you have to give the CTA. What does CTA means? Call to action. So it would be pleased to offer a complimentary social media audit to demonstrate how our service can support your business goal. Please let me know a suitable time to discuss further. You have to give your name, full name, your position, agency name, and contact details so they can contact you. Now you have a ready to send email in minutes, saving time and improving quality. So if this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Smart Step Learning for more AI tips for business growth.